Once upon a time, on a sunny little farm by the countryside, there lived a clever and cheerful hen called the Little Red Hen. She was bright red, full of energy, and always busy doing something. But all the other animals on the farm were lazy. The cow loved to rest in the shade all day. The pig rolled in the mud and dreamed of food. The dog slept by the barn door, snoring loudly. One morning, the Little Red Hen was walking near the old fence when something shiny caught her eye. It was a tiny golden wheat seed. She picked it up with her beak and thought, if I plant this seed, one day it will grow into wheat. Her eyes sparkled. And from the wheat, I can make flour. And from flour, I can bake delicious bread. Excited, she rushed across the farmyard to tell her friends. Maybe they would help her make her dream come true. Who will help me plant this wheat seed? She asked happily. The cow looked up slowly from her nap. Not I, said the cow lazily. It's too sunny to do any work today. The Little Red Hen turned to the pig. Will you help me, pig? Not I, said the pig, rolling over. I'm too comfortable in this mud to move. She turned to the dog, wagging his tail half asleep. Dog, will you help me plant this seed? Not I, said the dog with a yawn. It's too hot to do anything right now. The Little Red Hen sighed, but she smiled bravely. Then I shall do it myself, she said, and off she went. She dug a small hole in the soft soil, placed the seed carefully, and covered it gently with dirt. Days passed. The sun shone brightly, the rain fell softly, and the little seed began to sprout. Tiny green leaves pushed up from the ground, dancing in the wind. The Little Red Hen smiled proudly. It's growing. But soon, weeds began to grow around the wheat. Oh dear, said the Little Red Hen. It's time to weed the garden. She looked around and called out, Who will help me weed the garden? The cow lifted her head. Not I, she said. The weather is too pleasant to work. The pig snorted. Not I. I'm busy enjoying my nap. The dog wagged his tail lazily. Not I. I'm guarding the barn. Then I shall do it myself, said the Little Red Hen, and she started pulling weeds, one by one. Under the warm sun, she worked hard, humming to herself. Weed, weed, weed. Hard work makes good bread. Weeks passed, and the wheat grew tall, golden, and ready to harvest. It swayed like waves in the wind. The Little Red Hen clapped her wings. It's time to cut and thresh the wheat, she said. She ran to her friends again. Who will help me harvest the wheat? Not I, said the cow. I want to rest in my barn. Not I, said the pig. I want to play in the mud. Not I, said the dog. I'm looking for my bone today. Then I shall do it myself, said the Little Red Hen, and she began cutting the wheat under the bright sky. Her feathers turned dusty and her wings ached, but she didn't stop until every stalk was done. Now she had bags of wheat, ready to grind into flour. Who will help me grind this wheat into flour? She called. Not I, said the cow. It's almost milking time. Not I, said the pig. It's too close to supper time. Not I, said the dog. I'm tired from guarding the barn. The Little Red Hen sighed but smiled. Then I shall do it myself. She ground the wheat into fine, soft flour. White powder flew around her beak, and she sneezed. Achoo! Finally, she had a big bowl of flour. Now, I'll bake some bread, she said happily. Before she started, she gave her friends one more chance. Who will help me bake the bread? Not I, said the cow. I don't know how to bake. Not I, said the pig. I might burn it. Not I, said the dog. Baking is boring. Then I shall do it myself, said the Little Red Hen, smiling softly. She mixed the flour, water, and yeast, kneaded the dough, and placed it in the oven. The smell of warm bread filled the air. Even the lazy animals lifted their noses. What's that smell? The bread baked golden and crisp. When it was ready, she took it out and let it cool on the windowsill. The cow, pig, and dog came running. Who will help me eat this bread? Asked the little red hen playfully. I will, they all shouted together. The little red hen shook her head gently. No, you won't, she said. I did all the work, so I will eat the bread. She cut the bread, steam rising from the soft middle, and took a bite. Delicious! The animals watched, feeling sad and guilty. The cow lowered her head. The pig kicked the dirt. The dog looked away. The little red hen looked at them kindly and said, Next time, if you help, we can all share. From that day on, whenever there was work to do, the animals always offered to help. They learned that teamwork makes everything easier and much more fun. And the little red hen? She smiled every morning, proud of her golden bread and her hardworking friends. Because on that small sunny farm, everyone finally understood the magic of hard work. The end.